Hey guys, let's talk about hydrogen. In the past lecture, we discussed this oxygen, its preparation, properties, and the uses. So, in this lecture, we're going to talk about hydrogen, its preparation, how it is prepared in the laboratory, uh, its physical and the chemical properties, and also the uses of hydrogen. So, let's start with the concept and the occurrence of hydrogen. So here we're going to see basically what is hydrogen, the way it occurs in our universe. Now hydrogen, this is the lightest of all the elements. Basically there is a very little hydrogen in the Earth's atmosphere. Uh, this hydrogen is so light that its molecules are not held by the Earth's gravity, and hence they diffuse into the space. That's why it's found in a very little amount in the Earth's atmosphere. Now, this hydrogen also occurs naturally in air as the hydrogen gas. It also occurs in a combined state in various compounds such as the water, acids, petroleum, and the natural gas. Let's see the preparation of this hydrogen gas in a laboratory. Hydrogen is most commonly prepared in these laboratories by the action of this what dilute mineral acids on the certain metals. Now, the most convenient way to prepare this hydrogen in the laboratory is this is the addition of dilute hydrochloric acid on the zinc granules. Now, the zinc and the hydrochloric acids are chosen because they produce the gas at a steady rate. Now, the gas is collected mainly by this downward displacement of water, but when the gas is required free from moisture, it is passed through water to remove first. Then any hydrogen chloride gas and then through concentrated sulfuric acid to remove moisture before being collected by upward delivery. The gas is prepared by this upward delivery method because it is lighter than air and is soluble in water. Now, the test for hydrogen. Hydrogen can be tested by this thing that a mixture of hydrogen and the air explodes with the pop sound. So when a flame is applied, so when you apply flame to a container holding this hydrogen gas, it produces this pop sound. So that shows that there's a presence of hydrogen. Let's see the properties of hydrogen, starting with the physical properties. Physical properties include the first one is that it is colorless gas, tasteless, and the odorless gas. Also, the second one that is almost insoluble in water. Third one is that it is the lightest of all the gases. The other one is that it condenses at minus 254 degrees Celsius to a colorless liquid, and a liquid hydrogen freezes at minus 259 degrees Celsius to form colorless crystals. And the other physical property is that it is neutral to litmus and it does not support combustion. The chemical properties of hydrogen, the first one is that it combines easily with the other chemical substances at high temperatures. For example, it combines with this oxygen to form water. The second property is that the hydrogen acts as a reducing agent by removing oxygen from some compounds. Now, for example, copper 2 oxide is reduced to copper by heating it in a steam of hydrogen. Now, the hydrogen is what is oxidized to water. The other property that this hydrogen, it is neither acidic nor basic, so it is a neutral gas. The other property that a mixture of hydrogen and the oxygen explodes when lit. We've seen that is the test for this hydrogen gas. Let's see the uses of hydrogen gas. The first one is that it is used in the manufacture of ammonia by the Haber process, which is based on the direct combination of hydrogen and nitrogen. The second one is that it is used in the hardening of vegetable oils to make margarine. Third one is that the hydrogen is used by meteorologists to fill weather balloons, which these weather balloons carry weather instruments that record information on various elements of weather in the upper atmosphere. The other use is that it is used in the preparation of water gas, which is used as a fuel for space rockets. Since when hydrogen contained in a water gas is burned in air, it produces this extremely high heat energy that is used to power rocket engines. The other one is that is used in the welding by the atomic hydrogen torch. So, however, the explosive nature of this combustion of hydrogen with oxygen makes the use of oxyhydrogen flame less favorable than this oxyacetylene flame. So, basically, sometimes it is used in welding. This is the flame of oxyhydrogen flame. The other use is that it is used in the synthesis of hydrochloric acid. We've seen that in this case, hydrogen combines directly with the chlorine to form hydrogen chloride gas. Now, the hydrogen chloride gas is then dissolved in water to form this hydrochloric acid. So, hydrogen gas is basically used in the synthesis of hydrochloric acid. So that's all for this video. We've discussed the concept and the occurrence of hydrogen gas, the preparation of hydrogen in the laboratory, the physical and the chemical properties of hydrogen, and the uses of hydrogen. Thank you.